Olive oil is often celebrated for its health benefits, especially among those over 60. However, using it incorrectly can actually diminish its positive effects and may even contribute to increased inflammation. Many people are unaware that simple mistakes, such as overheating olive oil or choosing the wrong type, can undermine its protective properties. Understanding these hidden risks is essential for making the most of olive oil's potential to support healthy aging. While olive oil is often praised for its health benefits, it is not automatically a healthy choice. Several factors, including temperature, storage conditions, acidity, and the type of bottle used, can significantly alter its chemical composition. These changes may influence how olive oil affects heart health, joint function, and even memory. For example, exposure to heat or light can degrade beneficial compounds, while improper acidity levels may reduce its positive effects. Understanding these variables is crucial for maximizing the health advantages of olive oil. Using olive oil at excessively high temperatures can compromise its health benefits. When overheated, olive oil loses valuable antioxidants and may produce harmful compounds. Signs of overheating include smoking or a sharp change in aroma. To preserve its nutritional value, it's best to use olive oil for low to medium heat cooking, such as sautéing or drizzling over finished dishes. Understanding these practices ensures you get the most from your olive oil while maintaining a healthy kitchen. Purchasing olive oil in clear glass or plastic bottles can significantly reduce its quality. Exposure to light and certain chemicals accelerates the breakdown of beneficial polyphenols, which are responsible for many of olive oil's health benefits. To maintain its freshness and nutritional value, it's best to choose olive oil packaged in dark glass bottles or metal containers. These materials help shield the oil from harmful light and minimize unwanted chemical reactions. By selecting the right packaging, you can ensure your olive oil remains both flavorful and healthful. Overlooking the harvest date on olive oil can result in consuming oil that has lost much of its nutritional value. Freshly harvested olive oil contains higher levels of antioxidants, which are responsible for many of its health benefits. As olive oil ages, these beneficial compounds gradually degrade, reducing its potency. To ensure you're getting the most from your olive oil, always check the label for a recent harvest date and select bottles that guarantee freshness. This simple step helps you maximize both flavor and health benefits in your daily meals. Placing olive oil close to heat sources, such as stoves or direct sunlight, can significantly speed up the degradation of its healthy components. Exposure to warmth and light causes the oil to lose its flavor and nutritional benefits more quickly. To preserve its quality, olive oil should be stored in a cool, dark place, away from any heat or light. Using a tightly sealed container also helps protect it from air, which can further compromise its freshness. These simple storage practices ensure that olive oil retains its healthful properties for as long as possible. While olive oil is celebrated for its heart and brain health benefits, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Consuming too much olive oil can result in an excessive calorie intake, which may be particularly concerning as metabolism naturally slows with age. Experts generally recommend limiting olive oil consumption to about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This amount provides essential healthy fats without contributing to unwanted weight gain. Staying mindful of portion sizes helps you enjoy olive oil's advantages while supporting overall well-being. Experts from fields such as nutrition, cardiology, and longevity emphasize the significance of choosing fresh olive oil and using it appropriately, especially for seniors. They highlight that the health benefits of olive oil are most pronounced when it is consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Freshness ensures that the oil retains its beneficial compounds, while proper use helps maximize its positive effects. These insights collectively reinforce the value of mindful olive oil consumption in supporting overall well-being for older adults. Most people are familiar with extra virgin olive oil, prized for its flavor and health benefits, but few have heard of a rare variety that stands out for its remarkable nutritional profile. This unique olive oil contains 3 times the antioxidant content found in standard extra virgin options. Its origins and production methods are shrouded in tradition, making it a hidden gem among culinary oils. In the next section, we'll uncover what sets this extraordinary oil apart. In summary, we've explored 5 common mistakes people make when choosing olive oil, from overlooking quality indicators to misunderstanding labeling and storage. By recognizing these pitfalls and applying the recommended solutions, you can make more informed decisions that support your health. Notably, early harvest extra virgin olive oil stands out as the superior choice, offering the highest levels of beneficial compounds and freshness. For those over 60, selecting this type of olive oil can help maximize nutritional benefits and promote overall well-being. Making the right choice ensures you enjoy both flavor and health advantages in every meal.